हेलो एवरीबॉडी। सो आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको अपनी एक नई हैबिट, आपसे हैबिट कह सकते हैं, नहीं तो एक छोटा सा बिजनेस जो स्टार्ट किया है, ऑफ टर्निंग कार्स इनटू अ प्रॉफिट तो जब आएगा तो देखेंगे, लेकिन अभी रिसेंटली मैंने एक गाड़ी परचेज़ करी है। यू प्रॉब्ली गेस्ड इट कि कौन सी गाड़ी है। ये है एक टोयोटा यारिस 2008 ओल्ड स्कूल टोयोटा, एंड I bought it for around 900 pounds, which is slightly above than what I should have bought it. But जब मैंने इसे देखा, I thought कि everything is absolutely fine, बस आपको खरीदनी है, give it a good wash, wipe and clean, और उसके बाद it's up for sell, probably around 1200 1300. So there is some profit for me, but it didn't go so well for me. मैंने गाड़ी खरीदी, I took it for a drive. The first thing that I noticed is that the speedometer doesn't give the right speed. It's not like it's giving you 1 or 2 miles above. It shows you actual 10 miles less than what you are actually doing, which is very scary. यहाँ UK में तो हर जगह स्पीड कैमरेज होते ही हैं, तो it is very crucial कि मैं ऐसी गाड़ी अगर किसी को बेचूं, उसकी स्पीड बिल्कुल ठीक हो। That is the first thing. Second thing, अभी मुझे क्या करना पड़ रहा है, that I have to plug in my OBD port in the OBD scanner, and then उस OBD port से मुझे रीडिंग मिल रही है, गाड़ी की स्पीड चल रही है, तो वो है मेरे फ़ोन में, and my phone is not that steady. Every turn that I make, phone flips over. So what I'm doing is, अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ इसको लेके गैराज पे to my mechanics to show them that can they check what's actually wrong with the car in terms of the speed. Last time जब मैं उसके पास गया था, मैंने उससे डिस्कस किया था गाड़ी के बारे में कि इस गाड़ी में प्रॉब्लम है स्पीड की, तो the one thing that he asked me was कि इसके ABS सेंसर में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, which I might think could be. So हम वो डायग्नोस कराएंगे. Secondly, this car makes a weird noise when driving. Like right now I'm driving and I can hear that there is some noise coming from the front end of the car, which could be from the wheels or could be from the transmission. I'm not sure. So in order to make profit, I have to keep my repair bill to as minimum as possible because I've already massively spent on it. So stay tuned. What I'll do is I'll take it to my garage now and give them a good overview, and then they'll advise me कि क्या करना है. Also जब गाड़ी हो जाएगी रिपेयर, देन उसके बाद आई हैव टू गेट इट क्लीन्ड, एंड आउटसाइड क्लीन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन दिस कार बिकॉज दिस कार इज़ फिल्थी. इट इज़ नॉट गुड, एंड my fuel light has just come on. That means the car doesn't have enough fuel to run on, so that is something I need to take into consideration. I shall see you guys soon then. Stay tuned. So I had to fuel it up for 10 pounds because it was running low on fuel. And well, the good part is the ABS light came on, and what it did is, now I'm getting the right speed, which I should, but since I'll show you, the ABS light is on. You can see the ABS light has come on, but the speed now the car is showing is absolutely right. I need to see as he's gonna have a look at the car. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. So you must be wondering why I came off a bus. Well, गाड़ी हम रिपेयर करने के लिए दे आ चुके हैं. It's not a good news because जो गाड़ी का खर्चा बताया है, that's so the problem is गाड़ी के फ्रंट लेफ़्ट साइड के बेयरिंग से आवाज़ आ रही थी बहुत ज़्यादा, एंड ABS का भी फॉल्ट है फ्रंट लेफ़्ट में, एंड रियर राइट में बेयरिंग ब्रोकन है, इसकी वजह से आवाज़ आ रही है और सेंसर में फॉल्ट आ रहा है. The thing is, to replace both of these bearings, it costs me 235 pounds, 235 pound, and still there is no guarantee कि the ABS light and जो speed का issue है वो resolve होगा. So what I think is, let's do those first. And उसने ABS sensor का price पता किया था front का, एंड ही वाज सेइंग कि अराउंड 150 पाउंड्स का वो पड़ेगा. तो इट्स बेटर, अगर वही प्रॉब्लम हुई ऑन टॉप ऑफ बेयरिंग्स, वो तो प्रॉब्लम है ही, तो रिप्लेस कराना ही है हमें, वो कराते हैं. अगर फिर भी रिजॉल्व नहीं होता, देन द प्राइसेस विल गो वेरी मच अप एंड द प्रॉफिट विल बी ज़ीरो. इन फैक्ट वी माइट बी इन अ लॉस इन दिस वन. सो लेट्स सी. I've looked online on eBay, and on eBay the prices for those sensors are varying from 30 pounds to 40 pounds. Plus, to replace that in the car, it costs around 35 to 40 pounds as well. So अगर काम नहीं बना चेंज करने से bearings, तो हमें जो ABS sensor replace कराना है, that's going to cost us around 70 pounds as well, which will make our total expense to 300 pounds. ऑलरेडी गाड़ी पे खर्चा हो चुका है अराउंड 1000 pounds का. Add 300 pounds more, this will be 1300 pounds. I don't think so that I will be able to sell this car for 14 or 1500 pounds. So I have to, I'll decide once my costs takes a final figure, and then I'll put a number to it. So I'll keep you updated. So good wash we are doing inside and outside, and then we'll put the car on sale. But I'll also go through the figures with you very shortly. I have news for you. I've got the car repaired, and we again, like previously, massively spent on this car. So I took down to the mechanics. They said that, like I told you before, both the front left wheel bearing and the right rear wheel bearing was damaged. So they repaired that. Not repaired, I mean replaced it completely. Parts cost around 80 odd quid, and then they charged their labor. Altogether it cost me around 235 pounds, like it was quoted before. Luckily that my ABS sensor in the front was okay, because of which my speed is now perfectly fine. It's showing me the exact speed that it should be, and in terms of the ABS warning light, that is gone. तो अच्छी बात ये है कि my car is all set. इसको अब हम सेल पे लगा सकते हैं, बट इन ऑर्डर टू इसको सेल पे लगाने से पहले आई हैव टू कीप इन माई माइंड मैंने कितना पैसा इस पे लगाया है ऑलरेडी, एंड द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ मनी दैट आई हैव स्पेंट ऑन दिस कार इज इनॉर्मस. जितना पैसा लगाया उतना लगना नहीं चाहिए था इस ईयर की गाड़ी पे, 2008 की गाड़ी पे, एंड ऑल्सो दिस कंडीशन की गाड़ी पे. So to make it more simpler, what I'll do is I'll take it home, and then I'll run through my costs once again completely thoroughly, and then उसके बाद I'll tell you at what price we are thinking of putting it on Facebook Marketplace or